Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are all well, happy and healthy. This is Rounak and you are watching Rounak Banerjee YouTube channel. This is a introduction video for this channel about myself. My name is Rounak Banerjee. I am from Huldia, West Bengal, and now I am in Pune for a job purpose. I am working in a company, in plastic company, in corporate job, and where I am in posted in as a quality engineer. But due to my English speaking knowledge is very low, and English communication skill is very poor. During the time of meeting, or during the time of communication with my senior and with my meeting team member in English is very difficult to me. It's very pathetic because I don't speak in English confidently in front of them, and I don't understand them what I want to say. Is very pathetic for me, and it's very simple when the team member and when the management team and HR team and your senior are present, but you can't explain them the issue or related your job is very difficult to control. So all other are talking in English, but you when you talk in Hindi and other language is very, it's uncomfortable feeling. So I decide to learn learn English and learn how to speak English fluently and confidently. So this is my motive. I take and past 1 month ago. So I practice. I watch multiple of videos in YouTube, and I search multiple of method and Google. Also, I use ChatGPT to see the how to learn how to speak English fluently and confidently, and multiple of paid apps, and multiple of free app I also use, but free app is not good enough. They only take time, and is not as per my decision, is not easy to you easily not learn from the free app. If you I use one paid app, is only helpful, is helpful, but it also take time, and I mind I think I also think I should take a English course, but it's very it's very expensive. Uh, so I take decision to learn myself, learn alone. So I alone at home. Sorry, alone at home. I watch multiple of videos in YouTube how to speak English fluently at alone and home. So there are multiple video who says their method different, but the 4 point I found from them, and those 4 point are most commonly, almost all of them are speak to practice those 4 point. Before I use them when I speak in English in very poor condition. I just not make the sentence. If you think I can read in English, so it's not true. I can read English and understand properly the meaning of them. I can I can listen English and also understand the meaning of them. And but when I speak when try to speak English is I can't, because the word I can maintain the sentence, because the word are not come in, never come in my mind during the time of speaking English. And the confidence level is very low at the time of speaking. I think the grammar. I also think the grammar. I don't know the grammar properly, and the vocab are not properly. That's why I can make the sentence. But when I watch those videos, the highly educated and the highly subscribed. Subscriber teacher told me that the grammar is not important for at the beginning stage when you learn to how to speak English in fluently, because they say they because when you speak your when you learn speaking your mother language or mother tongue, that you don't, that time you don't know you don't know the grammar of that language, but you can you still speak in your mother language, which is mother tongue. So that's why during beginning stage, uh, grammar and vocab is not so much important as you think. So if you think grammar is your weak point, so don't worry, you can speak in English confidently. So I decide to follow those method, that are reading, writing, and listening and speaking. The most important is speaking. If you practice speaking at least 15 minutes in a day, it should definitely help you uh, to speak English fluently. Trust me, when I am in before 30 days ago at the point of start my English learning, I never make a sentence properly. It's I know at the time of at now. Um, Also there is in multiple of video in grammar and in pronunciation, but but I use for this video, I make this video to know this mistake, to know those mistake, and to know those mistake to improve them. So I request you also to, if you find any mistake or any grammatical mistake and any pronunciation mistake or other, so please comment those mistake. I will definitely improve them. And I also watch this video, and if I found any mistake, then I also give in description to that to help you to understand the mistake of grammar and all. uh, so this channel is not for the purpose of English English learning. For me, it's the purpose of English learning with you. we are together make to make it happen to speak fluently in English. So we follow those method one by one in the next video and describe how easily follow them, and how easily follow them, or how practice them, and reading, writing, listening, and speaking in the next video. Till then, if you like this video, please like my channel, and please subscribe my channel, and must comment if you found any mistake, or if you tell me some your experience, share with me. So please share in comment section, and till then, stay happy, healthy, and bye. Thank you.